So let's get into these snake braids. So as you guys can see, I have a design that was there previously that I did. I'll show you guys the ASAP Rocky inspired style in this clip. These are what I'm taking down that I previously did in my client's hair. And thank God I don't have to resection because it's already in 4 sections and I don't have to resection. All I have to do is just part. Let's start these snake braids. I'm going to take down this braid. I'm going to clean his hair with some of my cleansing spray. And I'm going to get into this hairstyle. Guys, I love these snake braids because it gives a simple design without having to do too much. And as you guys can see here, he has 4C hair. So it's thick, it's kinky, and it's just nice. Here's the section that I was telling you guys about that I don't have to resection the hair, thank God. So yeah, let's get into these snake braids. I'm going to start my parting and I'm going to braid up and down. So watch this tutorial to the end so you can see how these snake braids turned out. It's not your typical snake braid. I actually made them pretty large. I don't really like the small snake braids, so I made these large snake braids. And I kind of freestyled them so that they can go this way, that way. But you'll see in this video, watch to the end. Let's get into these snake braids. And
Daily moisturizing cream is clinically proven to moisturize for 48 hours.
Jaga. Tapi kebaya wala din ko na dad.
Them call it claim, but them not the passport. She live in that condo on the bank, the crossroad. From the money reach a London and the run I can't joke. The ring loads calling on me in soul. Every day me like the candle, all that money back soap. We kill a goat, sacrifice to big notes. I took the mill for the German import. Capping your dog, don't stand up, capping your dog. You see we get it, you're foreign your pass. Design of ideas, big food, but we chopping a yard. Run out in the top, we chopping a brand. We tapping a cat, quick, a couple Louis Vuitton. Bust up, bleach. Also, I tell them I chop on, nobody can see. Pull up on the party, I made up on the car seat. Your cash code, the bank load. Them call it claim, but them not the passport. She live in that condo on the bank, the crossroad. From the money reach a London and the run I can't joke. The ring loads calling on me in soul. Every day me like the candle, all that money back soap. We kill a goat, sacrifice to big notes. I took the mill for the German import. Go for the bag, we never fumble. Yeah, good dark, I'm in humble. The that's the money line, I want to run through. From black eye class, we put it down through. From black eye class. Jail leap on the lane, get in front too. Put that tree story house in my jungle. Tell the squad, yeah, no see me, I feel uncle. Big phone book like client, in my iPhone. And when the call, I know dial tone. Me make a million fast, to the scheme in an iron sure. The damn knock on the client door. We live in high France, and the killer them to cap and post. And now see me in a Japan clothes. A German cars, the man of the end of a land tour. Ballant tour. Yo, we are, you know,